evening, everybody.
Hello.
WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is keeping you up to date with the latest information from your morning commute to your afternoon drive. We're on your side weekdays, streaming on your favorite devices. WLBT First Alert Weather is sponsored by Watkins Construction and Roofing. WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is committed to your safety with 6 hours of continuous team coverage.
This is a relentless storm, Dave.
We're fortunate we all made it out alive.
And our network of skycams across the state alerting you to danger, bringing you live footage of tornadoes as they touch down in Wathau County.
Look at this, Chase. Guys, look at that.
This is ground zero almost. I mean, this is really hard to stomach, like I said.
We take our commitment to being on your side seriously, and together, we're Mississippi Strong. WLBT First Alert Weather is sponsored by Watkins Construction and Roofing. Weekdays, stream First Alert Weather Plus.
Good evening, everybody.
Hello.
WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is keeping you up to date with the latest information from your morning commute to your afternoon drive. We're on your side weekdays, streaming on your favorite devices. WLBT First Alert Weather is sponsored by Watkins Construction and Roofing.
Hello and happy hump day.
Yeah, it's finally Wednesday.
Yes.
We are almost done with the week,
Yes.
but we are not almost done with the heat. It's still here in full force, and we're also seeing a couple of stray showers starting to form.
Yeah.
You even have a little bit of rain potentially in northern Walthall County. East Mississippi, just like yesterday, seeing more of the scattered showers and thunderstorms currently. Some activity near Meridian, and then further north in Oktibbeha County outside of Starkville, which they are beginning school also at Mississippi State, heading to class if you have any students there. Hopefully they brought their umbrella today.
Yeah,
We're
right.
going to see a little bit of rain as they head to those afternoon classes. But while the rain chances are very few and far between, the heat, unfortunately, is not. That's what we're consistently seeing across the area. Also, I'm meteorologist Anae Scales, by the way.
And I'm meteorologist Haley Floden.
Sometimes I forget to introduce myself.
We're just ready to go.
Exactly. But you guys know the drill. It's been the same story for the past, how many weeks now? Almost
Feels like
100.
forever.
Yeah, almost 100 degrees. You're already at 100 in Carthage. We're 98 in Jackson, and it feels hotter than that
Of
when we
course.
bring up the heat index as well.
Yeah, we have that heat advisory and extreme heat warning mainly for like central and western counties, and again heat advisory tomorrow because it is another hot one. Shocker.
Yeah, here's what that's looking like right now. That's basically indicating that we expect the heat index to be above 110. Many of us are already at 109, and we got a few hours left to go of heating, so
Yeah.
we'll reach that again, no issue. But there's also going to be the right for some thunderstorms. It's staying hot. We've got more activity out there. In fact, some of the storms could be on the stronger side. Very similar to yesterday, we have an isolated risk of severe weather. It's level 1 out of 5 from the SPC, so not a high threat by any means. But just don't be too surprised if a few of us do see a severe thunderstorm warning,
Yeah.
especially after 3 p.m. Pretty much the late afternoon to early evening
Yeah.
is when we have the best chance of seeing the rain.
Yeah, so it's kind of quiet right now, but there's still a chance as we go throughout the next few hours and the early evening that we can see a strong storm pop up.
Yep. And then that dissipates overnight.
Yeah.
It's mainly just in the daylight that we're seeing these showers. You're dry waking up tomorrow morning for the first half of the day. But here's 4 p.m. The showers return. And then they dissipate once again.
And then Friday's going to be our last day of a decent chance of some showers and some storms again in the afternoon, looking mainly south of I-20. But then we will definitely start to dry out again into the weekend. Actually, I think Saturday brings on another small chance, but from there on out, we're looking to dry out again, and those temperatures will slightly come up again. So same old around here. The heat's not going anywhere.
Yep, at least with the coverage. Peaking Thursday and Friday will be in the 90s. albeit the very upper 90s,
Yeah.
99, 98 for the start of the weekend, but the hundreds, the triple digits are back Sunday as we dry out again. Speaking of dry conditions, things are quiet in the tropics. We
Yeah.
are not currently watching any further development in the Atlantic. So the main story is just going to be the off and on chances for showers in the afternoon for the rest of this week. And then towards the middle and end of next week, when we're dry, we're 100 degrees. When you're not dry, you are finally back in those 90s.
Yeah, you'll see some meaningful relief if you get a shower, but that's it, unfortunately, throughout the next 10 days.
Yep, we have not too many changes, but as things continue to form on radar, of course, we'll be looking at that live, and I'll be on WLBT at 4 and 4:30 when we'll likely have some more thunderstorm activity going on in Summit County, so we are going to be looking at that live on the news.
Yeah. And then I will be back on WLBT at 3 o'clock as long as nothing runs over, but that's the plan right now. So,
Cool.
yeah.
And then later on, we will have Chief Meteorologist Dave Roberts on. He'll be on WLBT at 5 and 6. And until then, I hope you guys manage to stay cool. I
Yeah.
hope that you get a little bit of rain.
Yes.
But if you don't, water the plants if they're still alive. Many of them have kind of given up now. But if there's
Right.
if there's any hope left for your plants, be sure to attend to them because can't guarantee that rain.
Right. Yeah, unfortunately. But yeah, stay cool, you guys. Bye.